Is your parallel computing software crashing because of the OpenMP Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin the walkthrough for OpenMP Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the OpenMP Library, the OpenMP Parallel Processing module. It provides unmanaged routines for multi-platform shared memory multiprocessing, facilitating the high-performance computational data link for engineering and scientific manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. A damaged or incomplete your parallel computing software installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of your parallel computing software to restore required files such as OpenMP Library DLL to the application directory. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including OpenMP Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for OpenMP Library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing OpenMP library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved OpenMP library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.